How to create a Threads account. Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Threads account in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Step 1, open the Play Store or App Store. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. Step 2, search for Threads. Type Threads in the search bar and select the official Threads and Instagram app. Step 3, install the app. Tap install and wait for the app to finish downloading. Step 4, open Threads. Tap open to launch the Threads app. Step 5, log in with Instagram. Tap log in with Instagram and sign in if prompted. Step 6, set up your profile. Import your Instagram profile or customize it. Then choose public or private for your account. Step 7, join Threads. Tap join Threads to finish creating your account. That's it. Your Threads account is ready to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tech tutorials.